Falcon 9 rocket launch yesterday over Santa Barbara County. This comes as Elon Musk's SpaceX company prepares to go public in what could be the largest initial public offering of a stock sale ever. For more on this, we're joined by Vice President of Wilsey Asset Management, Chase Wilsey. Chase, good morning.
Good morning.
We just watched that video and we're thinking the same thing. Was this supposed to happen like that?
You know,
apparently they called it a success. That's what I got in my ears. So
yeah, I mean, everybody was clapping and cheering, so it looks like things worked out well for them.
They're just next level thinkers. Watching rockets come back and land on.
Well, I think it was impressive because it was coming down over the water and then it stalls. I mean, the technology is definitely impressive. You can't deny that. Yeah, then it blew up.
Okay.
That's a lot of money, I'm sure.
Right. Okay, so we've got, I mean, this is serious. This is a big IPO.
Yeah, I mean, it's as you said, record setting. I mean, we're looking at somewhere close to $2 trillion, what people are speculating for that IPO price. But that's not what the first trade's going to be. I mean, there's speculation that this thing could pop and all of a sudden go maybe $3 trillion, $4 trillion, who knows? I mean, there is that possibility this company could skyrocket.
Nice. I see what you did there. So what does this mean for the markets overall? Does it anything?
I mean, for the markets overall, I do have some concern. Reason being is this is such a large IPO, and this is kind of getting away from SpaceX, but we also have Anthropic, OpenAI, look like they're planning to come public this year as well. We've never seen potentially, obviously, $3 trillion companies come public in 1 year. The concern is that could suck money out of some of the other winners. I mean, I just look at, let's say Tesla as an example. Who is the most likely buyer of SpaceX stock? Probably Tesla shareholders. Are people going to want to free up some capital, sell some Tesla to buy SpaceX? That is a concern that I have for the overall market, is people could sell some of those winners to buy these new entrants.
As a market analyst, like you are, and okay, here you go. Last year, SpaceX generated revenue of $18.7 billion, 33% increase over the previous year. Earnings declined sharply, though the company reported a net loss of $4.9 billion, compared with a profit of $791 million in 2024.
Yeah, I mean, this company, what they're having to do is they're investing in so many, I'm going to say, futuristic ideas. No surprise coming from Elon Musk. But I mean, you look at their units, right? You have your space unit. Well, that lost money. Those rockets, as we just saw, you know, they fall over, explode. That's a lot of money going out the window. You have your connectivity segment. The big thing there is obviously your Starlink, and that's going to be the most profitable segment. In fact, the only profitable segment that they have currently. Last one after the merge-in of XAI, that is going to be that last segment. That is the one that actually lost about $2 billion in just the first quarter alone of 2026. That's looking at net income, though. One other problem that I see is capital expenditures. That's not included in profitability. That was about $10.1 billion just in Q1 of 2026. So this money, they're burning a ton of cash. This is going to be a bet on the future, a bet on Elon Musk. It is not, I'm going to say, a viable investment based off the profitability of the company, or even if you look at the sales, you said about, I'll call it $19 billion. You're going to be trading at over 100 times sales on this potential IPO. That is very, very expensive to say the least.
Yeah, and you just mentioned Starlink, and we were just talking earlier, a few minutes ago, in fact, about American Airlines is going with Starlink for Wi-Fi.
Yeah, and I mean, as I said, it is a great business. I mean, it's so futuristic. I think Starlink alone is, in my mind, what's going to allow that company to invest in the future because of how profitable that business is.
Okay, we got to wrap it up, but I got a question for you with regard to the SpaceX IPO. Are you in?
No, I'm not in. I think it's too risky. It's again, a big gamble. I think you could see a big pop first day, kind of like how we saw Cerebras, that IPO, and then it kind of fizzles out. I think something similar could happen with SpaceX, so I wouldn't be in on the hype initially. I'd maybe wait around and watch and see what happens.
All right. Chase Wilsey, thanks for coming in, man.
Thanks for having me.